In modern software development, speed and security have to work together. Developers push updates faster than ever, and that means vulnerabilities can slip through if your code scanning tools are not up to the task. Two of the top platforms helping teams catch and fix security issues early are Snyk and Checkmarx. Let's start with Snyk. Snyk has become one of the most developer-friendly security tools out there. It is built to integrate directly into your development workflow, so you can find and fix vulnerabilities as you code. Snyk scans your open-source dependencies, container images, infrastructure configurations, and even your proprietary code, giving you full coverage across your stack. One of the biggest reasons developers love Snyk is its speed. It plugs into popular tools like GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, and Jenkins, scanning automatically whenever you commit or build. It then provides clear, actionable feedback right in your pull request, showing exactly what needs to be fixed and how. Snyk also suggests safe version upgrades for vulnerable packages, which makes remediation fast and low friction. Snyk's database of known vulnerabilities is constantly updated and curated by security researchers, so results are reliable and current. You can even enforce policies that block risky code from merging, keeping insecure dependencies out of production. For teams that use modern development practices like continuous integration and delivery, Snyk fits perfectly into the pipeline without slowing it down. Now let's look at Checkmarx. Checkmarx has been around longer and is well known for its deep static code analysis. It focuses on scanning the source code itself, not just the dependencies, to identify potential vulnerabilities in logic and structure. This makes it a great choice for organizations that build large amounts of proprietary software and need full visibility into their own code bases. Checkmarx uses static application security testing, often called SAST, to analyze code before it is compiled. It can detect issues like insecure data handling, injection flaws, and authorization problems early in the development cycle. It also supports a wide range of languages and frameworks, which makes it ideal for enterprises with complex multi-language projects. One of Checkmarx's biggest strengths is customization. Security teams can fine-tune rules, define risk thresholds, and integrate the platform with governance systems to match internal policies. That level of control makes Checkmarx especially powerful for regulated industries where compliance and auditability matter as much as detection accuracy. If you are part of a larger enterprise building proprietary systems with strict security requirements, Checkmarx is the stronger choice. It gives your security and development teams full visibility, detailed reporting, and the ability to tailor scans to your organization's exact standards. Both tools raise the bar for code security. Snyk brings agility and automation. Checkmarx brings precision and control. Either way, both help your developers build safer software from the very first line of code, keeping vulnerabilities out before they ever reach production.